for the class. We'll put it on YouTube so that you can watch it later on. Now, say you have a page, okay? You have a page like this, which will be your browser, okay? Your typical page that you browse has a bar at the top like this, okay? And then you probably have the logo here. And then you have your menu icons showing here. Is this familiar?
Yes, please.
Deborah and Co, is this familiar? Perez, have you seen this before?
No.
Perez,
Yes, sir.
have you seen a page that follows this scheme before?
No.
Then, okay, I'll show you an example. You usually have the body of the page, okay? So probably if it is a news website, you have the main news showing over here. You probably have a picture and then you have the words, okay? And then on this side, you have the recent news or something of that sort. So that will also be here with pictures and some words. Let's look at an actual site, okay? So let's go onto the internet and look at it. So this is the Scratch website, okay? I think none of you have done Scratch before, but it doesn't matter. What we want to see is how the website has been arranged. So I will use this blue border to show you. So we
Good
have,
evening, Uncle.
good evening, how are you? So
I'm fine.
we have the top, the header, okay? It's called the header. So you have this side, which is the header. If you go to another website, let me stop annotating and go to another website and show you. Let me erase this. So you can see over here too that this one also has a header. You see it?
Yes.
So the header is mainly at the top side of the page. Most websites you go to. If you let me go to another page and show you. If you go to, which website should I even go to? Right. If you go to, this is Bing, okay? This is not Google. This is Bing. So it's also a search engine, just like Google. It's called Bing. So you can see that with this one as well, the header is over here. You see it. Yes. So the header, they exist in almost every web page on the internet. You just have to look for them. So this is I don't know if this website has a header. I've not been here before. Who has watched Toy Story before?
Me.
I've
I've watched 1, 2, 3.
I've watched it before. I've watched it before. Me.
Who is that? Seth, you've not watched Toy Story before.
I've watched it before. All you know is Roblox and Minecraft. Hey, I'm watching it.
Deborah,
What
have
is-
you watched it before? No. Perez, have you watched Toy Story before?
Yes.
We watch Disney cartoons.
But you've not watched, I mean, Toy Story.
And then we watch, Daddy, we watch Toy Story on the Disney Channel. So stop saying I haven't watched Toy Story.
Mark
Then
has,
you- then
Mark
who is
has not
Woody?
watched it before.
He's lying.
I'm watching it before.
Mark has not
Are
watched
you
it.
coming to kill me? Still cry, you're lying.
I've not watched it before.
Hi, Mark, you've not watched Toy Story before.
I see
Yes,
some of
I have
Minecraft.
Minaman and Manaman, I'm also guessing you've not watched it before.
I've watched it before.
Say it's true, yes.
Manaman, have you watched it before?
Yes. Buzz Lightyear.
Manaman, you've not watched it before.
Woody.
Galen, have you watched Toy Story before?
Yes.
Reggie has not watched it before.
Quiet. Close it.
Who's Reggie?
Reggie, have you watched Toy Story before?
Reggie. Say that.
I watch animated story.
Have you watched Toy Story before?
Minecraft.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Oh yes.
So what is the name of this character?
How I remember the name?
You've it means you've not
Buzz
watched
Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear.
right. You see the person who has watched it before has mentioned the name.
But me, I'm going.
It doesn't matter.
Woody.
Woody.
Okay.
Yes. Woody.
Those who have not watched it before, go and watch it. It's very nice. Okay, so we can also see the header on this page as well. And on this page, it really demonstrates how we can use the Flexbox. So we can see the header on this page. The header is here. And then you can see we have the, oh, sorry. You can see we have the logo here. Do you see the logo?
Yes.
We have the logo, and then
Yes.
these ones are the menus. You see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Then we have the search bar over here. Okay.
Okay.
And then when you come further down, we also have another header over here with this logo over here and another menu bar right here, okay, which has 4 items. Okay, 4 items. This is how HTML actually looks like. Everything is a box on the page. Okay. And then when you come further down, we have this side over here. And then we have this side over here. This side has been divided into 2. Okay. So we have one here, we have another one here. And in each one of those boxes, it is also divided into 3 parts. So we have the head, and then we have the tagline, and then we have a picture showing here. Can you see it? The same thing is done over here as well. Okay, so how you arrange the content on your web page, like I've shown you with the boxes, you can use Flexbox to do it. You can easily use Flexbox to arrange your menu like this, okay, and to have the logo.
Flexbox is still a tag.
No, it's not a tag. We'll look at it. So for those that I have taught Flexbox, Mark and Co and Reggie and your group, Daniela, Deborah and Seth. You should be able to build this for me. The header.
Sir, can't you use Scratch to it? Scratch.
You should be able to build this for me.
I can use Bootstrap to this copy that.
No, no Bootstrap. No Bootstrap. You are doing it with Flexbox.
Uncle, please, I don't know that app.
So for Reggie and Daniela and Seth and Mark and Co, you are going to do it as work for me. This one. Just the top alone. No, not the whole thing. Just the top alone. Let me show you. The one I have circled in blue. This one.
Sir, give them the easy one. We should do all of this.
Let me remove all the annotations so that you see what I mean. Right, so I mean just this part. Just this part, okay. With the logo and the, right. So for the logo, I can show you how to get the same logo because I want you to do the same thing for me. Exactly as you see it over here.
Hey.
So, but what will happen is that I am going to teach Kojo, Perez, and where is Kwab? Okay, Kwabna won't come today. Perez and Galen. I am going to introduce you to Flexbox while we build this, okay? So for those that are doing it as work, you can choose to look at what I teach them if you can do it. But if you can't, you can follow what I do also with them. Perez and, is Perez still here?
Yes, Perez is here.
Perez, where is he? Perez.
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys have been using so for Seth and Seth, Deborah, Daniela, and Reggie, you should start work. Mark, Minaman, and Manaman, you should also start work. But like I'm saying, what I'm about to teach Kofi and Perez, you already know some of them. So I don't want to delay your time, and Galen as well.
So when are we submitting it?
Tomorrow.
Sir,
Okay.
I visited the hospital. They said my hands is broken. I can't type. Sir, Sir, why do they get the easy one and we get the hard one? Give us the easy one too. Let's start from the basics.
Do you know what Mark, Menaman, and Manaman are doing? If I show it to
yes.
you, you
that
run
tiny
away.
one. And you want us to do all of it.
Let's show it to them.
Okay, since you don't want that one, I will give you Mark and Manaman's work. Do you want that one?
No. You failed.
Uncle, yes, give it to them. Yes.
You failed.
Do you want that one instead of this one?
Yes, yes, we want it.
Who is saying they want it? Is that Seth?
Uncle, no, it's Minaman and Money Man.
Why are you calling me Naman?
Okay, so they said they don't want it, so I will show it to them. So start yours, okay? You don't want trouble.
Okay.
Trust me, Deborah, Daniela, and Seth. Trust me, you don't want trouble.
Uncle, please, why? What are they doing?
Okay, so let's Perez and Kofi and Galen concentrate on what I'm about to teach you. You'll be using Notepad for the past immemorial weeks. So Notepad is the basic, it's called a text editor. It is the basic one you use when you are starting to write code, but it is not professional. That is not what we use as a standard code editor when you are writing code. Okay, if you tell anyone you write code, you know how to write code, and they ask you what editor do you use, if you tell them you use Notepad, they'll laugh at you. Okay, that is if they know how to write code themselves. So we have different type of text editors we can use, and that is what I will teach you how to use from now. So if you go to whatever search engine you have and you type Visual Studio Code, okay, this is what you get. If you click on the first one, it will bring you to their page, their home page.
So is it for free or you have to buy?
It's for free.
Okay.
So this is how it looks like, okay? The interface is intimidating at first, but it's not difficult. When you get how it works, it's not difficult. So just go to that website and click on download for Windows.
Okay.
Download for Windows. It will download it to your computer. I think I have it already. Let me see.
Okay. So I'm confused. You said what should we type?
Visual Studio Code. Like this.
Okay.
This one, Visual Studio. Type Visual.
I've got it.
Visual Studio Code. There are two different types. We have Visual Studio and we have Visual Studio Code. You want Visual Studio Code. It should bring.
Uncle, I found it.
Right.
I'm at the website.
It should bring you to this page. Download, click on the download button. It will download it to your computer. Then install it. Okay. So click on the install button.
Uncle, please, where is it? I can't see the install button.
Have you downloaded it?
Yes. I'm at some page. There's a box and they said get.
Get what? Let me see. Share your screen and let me see.
Okay.
The man has not installed yet.
Has it downloaded? Kofi, share your screen.
Yeah, please, I've shared it.
Come. Click on download.
Okay.
Then click on the Windows download.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what do I go to when I finish downloading?
When you finish downloading it, click on the install.
Where is the install button?
I can't see the install button.
You won't see an install button, but you will see the file that downloaded onto your computer. Just click on that file.
Okay. I clicked on it.
When you click on it, it will it will open the installer for you.
They said this user installer is not meant to be run as an administrator.
Click on OK.
Okay. Uncle, it's at come, but there's no install button. Uncle,
Yes.
it has come, but there's no install button.
Share your screen with me. I can't see the install screen.
I've shared my screen.
No, I share it again. I can't see the install screen. Make sure you are sharing.
Okay.
There. Share all your screen. Just click on the first one to share everything. Don't click on the browser one.
Okay.
Click on I accept the agreement.
Say, when I clicked on it, it says I should run this file.
Yes, run it. Click on next, Kofi. Next. Then check, go back. Check, create a desktop icon. Then click, check, add open with code. Check those two unchecked boxes.
Now next.
Next, install.
So this is what you really used to code.
Yes. Perez, is yours working?
Yes.
What do you see now?
My own is still installing.
So you see the green bar. Click on finish,
Yes.
Kofi.
Mine's not finished yet.
When yours finishes, click on finish.
So set. Done.
Right. So this is what you will see.
Are you done with class?
Uncle, sir,
Yeah.
please, you haven't shared your screen.
Right, I'm coming.
So when I'm at I'll get started with basic code. We have light, dark, and high contrast.
Right. So those are called themes. Okay. Those are called
Okay.
themes.
So should you pick one?
Yes, pick one. But pick anyone you want, okay?
Okay. Which one should I choose? Light or dark? Light, dark, or light?
Should I choose dark or light?
Anyone you
Choose
want.
any.
I press on it.
So nothing.
So I am choosing this one, the dark one. So after
Okay.
choosing it, you can close this, okay?
Okay.
Actually,
Yes, Galen, is your computer working now? Okay. Reginald, the work I told your people to do is this. You are creating,
yeah,
you are
yes, how do I
recreating. How do you close it?
Yes.
Don't close it. Why are you closing it? You are recreating this for me. The navigation bar. You are recreating, Reggie, it's you I'm talking to. You are recreating this for me. You are recreating the header for me, okay? So that's what you're doing. The header, the whole of this. The more you use the flex box, the more you use the flex box, the more you understand it. So let me share Perez and Kofi. So when you open it, this is what you see.
First, you press welcome.
Which welcome?
There's welcome on top.
The welcome,
Yes,
click on the X, okay?
Okay. I've clicked on it.
Yes, my own has come.
Right, so when you click on the X, when you click on the X, okay, this is what you should see. You can see the menu over here, the sidebar, okay? Do you see the sidebar?
Yes.
And then you can see another menu at the top here.
Yes.
These ones, I'm sure you know what they do already, these ones.
Yes.
Right, so today we are going to focus on this one. This one, it's called Explorer. So click on it.
Okay.
So when you click on it, you should see no folder opened. You see it?
So please try the Explorer.
Here, here.
The one with power on it.
Okay. You have not yet opened the folder.
You have not yet opened the folder.
So I should press open folder.
No, don't press open folder. So the reason why I've been asking you to put your work in a folder is because within VS Code, okay, when you are coding and you are using an advanced text editor like VS Code, it is always a good idea to put your project inside a folder, okay? Now, you can put it anywhere you want on your laptop. Come, let me check something.
So everything we did in the class, you should put it in one folder.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, when you are starting a project, I mean, when you are starting a project, it's always a good idea to create a folder for that project, okay? So I will go to my desktop. This is my desktop, or you can go to documents, okay? And create a folder here. I will call this folder Intro to VS Code.
So should I make a folder?
The same thing.
Okay. I'm going to do it.
How do you make another